Hi, this is Chrissy, and I'd like to talk a little bit more about my career and what I do. So, if you go to your ets.org homepage, we're going to navigate to products, all products. We're going to scroll down to GRE General Test, as I am the lead of the GRE General Test and the GRE Digital Accessible Test. We are going to scroll down, and on your right here, you'll see test takers with disabilities and health-related needs. This is the department I work directly with. It gives you a little overview of how to apply for accommodations, what we have available. You can find samples of accessible tests. So if we scroll down to test preparation materials and accessible formats, and we click on materials and accessible formats page. We're going to scroll down, and it gives you a couple different options here. You have introductory review materials, you have practice test for the computer delivered GRE general test, and you have practice test for the GRE general test and additional accessible formats. These will be your paper-based formats. I create all of these. I work on all of them on a daily basis. So if we open up this last one, you'll see we have practice test 1 and practice test 3. I have done some work on practice test 3. Recently, we created a MP3 audio version of this form, but currently on our site to download freely, we have an 18-point, which is a large print. And if you click on that, it tells you here what everything includes. You can get your large print figure supplement. It gives you item numbers if you need to request any of the other formats. But if we hit downloadable large print, it's going to give you a whole bunch of PDFs. The accessible electronic documents are Word documents that are compatible with a screen reader. For example, JAWS. These will be in Word documents, and your 18-point large print will be in PDFs. So let's say we want to take a look at the verbal section. You can click right on that, and it opens up to you a sample test in 18-point that you can practice with. So these are what I work with on a daily basis. And if we go back, there's a lot of materials available, and there are even more available if you contact disability services.